What's up? Welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Matt Loberstein. I am a 7-figure entrepreneur, Amazon seller, e-commerce, been doing that almost 4 years now. This channel is all about me showing everything I've done to get to there and then documenting my entrepreneurial journey as I progress. I've got infinity to go, so if that's interesting to you and you're new here, make sure you subscribe, all of that, check out the previous videos, but it's gonna be a good time. Anyway, not exactly sure what the theme of today's vlog will be yet, but Jessica and I are going to meet up with Jade Darmawangsa, who is a social media master, Instagram master, YouTube master. She has been blowing up like absolutely insane, so hopefully I'll grab some tips for myself and hopefully I can bring her some value as well. Other than that, it is Saturday today, so probably a relatively chill day, but as always, I'll make sure that there's something in this video that is highly worth your while and so you don't waste your time watching it, because that would be a huge failure on my part. Quick thing regarding the giveaways for the calls with me. I started this on the last video, so the winner of that one will be announced somewhere towards the end of this one. The way that's gonna work, I didn't fully clarify, is that you'll watch the next video or 2 videos from then and your comment will pop up and then you'll contact me if you win. So meaning you do have to watch and see if you actually won. And so the first winner will be somewhere in this video and then I'm doing it again on this video. So if you want to win a consultation call / just talk to me about whatever the hell you want call, it's a 20-minute call, which I charge $300 an hour for my regular consultation calls, so that's $100. And if you want to enter to win that, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell as well. You gotta hit the bell, that's very key. Hit the thumbs up and then leave a comment. So I'll be picking out of those comments and then posting the comment in the next video, and that's how you know if you won. So subscribe, bell, thumbs up, comment, and that's it, and should be fun. Bulletproof coffee. Pink.
Is it too pink?
Okay, check it. Got the Gary V's that I haven't worn in like 3 months. Key on the left where it belongs. Wing up, sport mode to go to the farmer's market. Who watching actually knows how to work one of these? Let me know.
Warning. The following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
When you gotta drink bulletproof coffee, you also have to shift. Quick update for the car nerds out there. Still in the Cayman S, as you probably just saw some clips of. I test drove a GT4 and a McLaren 570S yesterday.
Matt's test driving this 570S. Holy crap! Oh, Porsche or McLaren?
I just test drove this GT4 and this McLaren 570S. Damn. I've just been torn for like the past year of like what the next car is. Like I love manual. McLaren is obviously an immense price jump, but I'm still pretty torn. And then now the 600 LT is gonna come out and that's like even another price jump, but like the sickest thing I've ever seen. I'm just like, I wanna cry when I see that car. We're headed to the farmer's market, which is where all of the money I make on Amazon goes to our ridiculous healthy food spending habits. First we gotta go to the ATM so I can throw down on some organic food. That's how we do it. At Erewhon waiting for Jade. She's making us wait because she's such a big shot now. Going with the lavender lemonade. And the blue drink again. Since everyone was so curious what's in it for 11 bucks, there you go. And this is the other one.
This one is
So good, right?
Is it good?
This one's way more delicious and refreshing. This one has some crazy wonky shit in it that makes it amazing.
What do you recommend for someone who hasn't gone to sleep and like wants to like almost die? Like, what would you recommend?
Probably something like more of an upper. Like maybe something with caffeine. Like
Wait, okay, something that's like refreshing.
refreshing, and this one's very refreshing. It's just like delicious and super good. I like the short idea. I thought about that too, like just kind of doing it almost like a spoken word like article, like throw some nice music on it.
It's slow-mo.
Yeah, the black bars.
Yeah, you gotta have the black bars, you know, like some slow-mo, some 120 frames.
Yeah. What would you talk about, like?
I mean, the same sort of stuff that I like read on like Facebook posts and stuff, just like all of my kind of like, whether it's entrepreneurial or more just like philosophy of like how to live type of stuff, you know, just things like that.
Bye, Matt.
Leave that in, leave that in.
I like your romper.
Hey, peace out, bro.
So meeting with Jade was super good. Just got me thinking a ton about YouTube and what I'm doing here. And my growth has been a little slower than it was for a while. So I'm just really thinking like what I can do to be better. So I'm curious you guys watching too. It's like, what do you think I could be doing that would just make you, hopefully you're already enjoying the channel and all that, but like what could make you really next level? What does that card do?
What the?
That's not 2 lanes. But yeah, I'm genuinely curious if you guys have any thoughts or ideas. What do you think I could be doing better? How could I make this, you know, even more shareable? What would make you want to tell your friends about this channel and provide you more value? Obviously, I do think I'm doing a good job of that. I think that those of you that do follow me closely, like I do think you guys get a lot out of it because you're constantly telling me that, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do, and I love that. At the same time, I'm thinking, you know, how can I take this to the next level? Jade's growth has been phenomenal. Obviously, it's not just about the numbers, but I was on her podcast just like, I don't know, around the beginning of the year, maybe February or something. She had 4,000 YouTube subscribers at the time, and I had like 8,000. She's about to hit 100,000 on YouTube. Her growth has just been crazy, and she's just so good at social media and YouTube and Instagram, and that is her expertise. My expertise is not necessarily that. I'm doing this because I'm showing, I've got other stuff to show you guys, and I've built businesses and I'm doing other things, but I would like to exceed at both, and I do want to grow this channel a lot so I can impact more people, and there's just so much that comes out of that. So I want to focus. I think I maybe got a little comfortable with YouTube, and maybe I've not necessarily done everything I could the last couple of months or so to make it to ride the wave as good as I could have. So yeah, just being honest and throwing that out there. Curious what you guys think. All right, back home now. So giveaway winner right there. If that's you, you won last video's call with me. So reach out to me if that's you. And if you want to win that, it was thumbs up, subscribe, bell, and leave a comment that you want to win, and hopefully you win the next one. I'm gonna probably be doing this for a bit. Anyways, on the topic of personal brands, since that's obviously what's on my mind right now, and that's obviously what I'm doing right now, and with meeting up with Jade and all of that, something on that topic to bring you guys value is those of you that are interested in starting on Amazon and you're right there at the beginning, I really think it's a massive opportunity to start picking up the camera and showing what you're doing from the very beginning. Now, for me, I think a big reason that my YouTube channel got traction relatively quickly was the fact that I already had impressive numbers to show. Like I had already had a level of success, and that was immediately kind of attractive because it set me apart from people that didn't. But I think that how cool would it be if I had been doing this from back when I was in a studio apartment, or back when I had no money, or back when I was running around on Craigslist to sell stuff on eBay just to have a little bit of money. That would be super cool to have now, and it would have shown my progression that much more, and it just would have, it'd be such a better story. It would be so much more tied in. So I really think that even at the very beginning, it's very cool to document the process, and a lot comes out of it. I promise if you do that, you will you will up your circle, kind of how I've talked in a recent video about the people that are around you. You will get around other people that are doing what you're doing by putting yourself out there like that. Highly recommend it. There are financial outcomes from having a YouTube channel as well. There really are. There's a lot of opportunities that will open up. Just as a little example, like people who have taken my Zero to Brand course and then put up video reviews and talk about the process, and then they're an affiliate for it. It's not like, there are ways to make money outside, like alongside your Amazon journey or whatever journey you're on. So whatever entrepreneurial journey that you are on, I think almost everybody should pick up the camera. Like, why not? I think that there's only upside in it. And if you're afraid of it, just like stop caring. Like, what are you really afraid of? Like, there's something underneath, and it's probably not that big of a deal. Like, what, somebody's gonna say you look stupid or you said something stupid? I mean, whatever. People say that to me, whatever, it's fine. Like, you know, most of the time when people leave negative comments, they're just kind of like, they're putting their problems on you. It's them, not you. So don't worry about that. But yeah, I really think if you're on the fence, if you're even considering it, you should start. I was on the fence about starting a YouTube channel for over a year before I actually did, and now my only regret is not starting it sooner. The same way with Amazon, I was thinking about it forever. Only regret was not starting it sooner. Even when I started it 4 years ago, I had the idea 2 years before that, and I should have just started it sooner. So when you start getting that little seed of an idea for a new business or a new opportunity, don't wait. Now that doesn't mean you just, you know, get attracted to everything and jump into something before it's an opportunity, or not before it's an opportunity, but before it's like before you've validated if it's worth your time. But once you kind of know that inevitably it's a good choice, no need to hesitate. You're gonna regret not doing it sooner. So hopefully that inspires some of you to pick up the camera and start doing kind of what I'm doing. And it's definitely been so valuable and worthwhile for me, and I just want to take it even further, and I want to help you guys more, and I want this to just be growing. As I've said, like, you know, I'm only a year into this, and I can't imagine where this can possibly get in another 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. So yeah, it's crazy and it's worthwhile. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Big thanks to Jade for meeting up, for giving me those tips. Definitely hope to meet up more and help each other out. So if you don't follow her, she knows this stuff really, really well. I highly suggest following her, if nothing more than just to see how well she executes on it and how the outcome has grown out of what she's doing. Anyways, that's it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, join the Facebook group, hit the thumbs up, do all the things, click all the stuff, and see you next video.